Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected teachers and my dear friend, good time to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. Thank you so much for giving me such a great opportunity to say something about my topic. Today my topic is country. This is Khalikud Jaman. Before you, I live in Molwi Bajar, but grew up at Hobbygonz in Hobbygonz. Basically, I'm a student. I'm learning English. I'm a student of Mamun English June. Today I want to elaborate regarding country. You know that our country name is Bangladesh. Bangladesh is a beautiful country in the South Asia. It became independent in 1971 after a long liberation war. The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. The currency is Taka. It is known for its natural beauty with rivers, green fields, the world's largest mangrove forest, the Sundarban. The national language is Bengali and most people are Muslims. The people of Bangladesh are very friendly, hardworking and hospitable. Our country is famous for jute and delicious food, garments like biryani, ilcha fish, sweets. Although it is a small country, but it has beautiful many places. Bangladesh has made progress, great women. Bangladesh has made great progress in technology, education, and women empowerment. We are proud of our culture, our language movement, our national heroes. In conclusion, we have to respect our country and we have to do something for our country. And thank you listening patiently. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.